Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bench for monthly bookkeeping and tax-ready records. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Begin by visiting the Bench website at www.bench.co. Create an account by selecting the Get Started button. Fill in your email address and create a password for your account. Choose your business type from the available options. Provide your business name and select your industry. Enter your phone number for account verification. Once verified, log in to your newly created account. On the dashboard, select the option to set up your bookkeeping. Input your financial details, including your bank account and payment information. Connect your financial accounts securely using the integration feature. Bench will guide you through linking your bank accounts and credit cards. Review the information you've entered and confirm it is accurate. Set your bookkeeping preferences, such as your fiscal year and tax status. Add any additional users who will have access to your Bench account. Store any relevant documents needed for bookkeeping in the Secure Document area. Bench will start to import and categorize your transactions automatically. Once transactions are categorized, review them for accuracy. If needed, make any adjustments to ensure they are recorded properly. Set up a monthly schedule for reviewing your financial statements. Familiarize yourself with the reporting features available on the platform. After a month, review the comprehensive reports generated by Bench. If tax time is approaching, ensure all records are up to date and accurate. Export your financial statements when you're ready for tax preparation. Follow up with your tax professional if you have questions about your records. Complete the setup process and enjoy hassle-free monthly bookkeeping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.